guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if you would like to watch me buying way too many clothes, then please subscribe below for return viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Your support, your comments, it's all very much appreciated. So today I am opening a Nadine West, and if you're not familiar with Nadine West, it's basically one of the more affordable styling services. You get anywhere from like 2 to 8 items in the bag. I don't know what determines how many things they send you. Typically it's some sort of variation between jewelry and clothes. It's a couple pieces of jewelry and then the rest typically is clothes. And the only styling fee is $9.78, which is actually the shipping cost, and it applies to anything you buy. And that's it. That's the gist of what you need to know. So let's go ahead and get on in here. I have cut it open, but I have not looked inside yet, so I'm excited to see. I mean, this is a big bag. This is very big compared to where I started out at, but it seems like they keep sending me more and more stuff, even though I only buy like one thing per bag. So here we go. We got the mailing tag to send back what you don't want to keep. You send it back in the same bag it came in, and then, oh, there's a price sheet there. So maybe they've changed how they're doing the price sheet. And then we have 2 bundles in this bag. Let's go ahead and pull these out. Okay, so bundle 1, I see some flannel, some mauve, some gray. I like it all. It's great fall colors. So let's start at the top. And by flannel, I guess I said flannel, I meant plaid, but this is a flannel shirt. So just basically a red and navy plaid shirt. It has the tab sleeves and the rounded hem there at the bottom, and just normal button down the front with pocket on each side. I really like this. I have been looking for some plaid flannels and having issues with them all being way too big on me, and this looks like this is actually one that's going to fit. I like the red and the navy, so I feel really good about this. Next up, we have this mauve thing, and it's big, so I'm gonna go with it being a dress. Yes, it is a dress, potentially a midi length, and it's just a long sleeve kind of bodycon. So again, I'm probably gonna have some tight bum issues, but we'll see. Maybe it's something I can again wear a cardigan over. And this is by Popular 21. The plaid shirt was by Ambiance, and it's a small. This dress is a small as well. So I really like it. I like the color. It's a great fall color, and looks like it does have a little bit of a mock neck on it as well. So we'll see how that fits. Then we have this lovely gray piece. And, oh, this is another dress. So this is a gray sleeveless dress. Again, looks to be a kind of midi length bodycon style dress with mock neck. So almost exactly the same as the last dress in the shape of it, but this obviously doesn't have sleeves. It's a different color, and then this kind of has some ribbing on it. So we will see how those fit, but I really like those. Let's go to our next bundle. You can see some green, a little bit more plaid, and some more gray. Oh, and the jewelry is in here. We'll do that last because I find that to be the least interesting. So we have this green top, and it is kind of a cream heathered here on the top, and then it is 3/4. Looks to be a longer, so maybe kind of a tunic length shirt. And this is by Zenana Outfitters in a small. And then we have, oh, these look like pants. Okay. These are a dress pant. They're black with some white plaid on it. I think these are going to look very legging-ish. We shall see. They do have a belt on them, and we'll see how it fits. The last pair of pants I got from Nadine West was maybe my very first bag, and they were very much like leggings, and they were too long and they just didn't work. So we'll see how these go. These pants are by Yado, Y-A-D-O, Yado. I don't know. Again, size small. And then finally we have this, I'd call this, this is a cardigan. I said I'd call it a cardigan. Well, that's because it's a cardigan. And it is like a dark charcoal gray, a little bit of ribbing here in the front, kind of a, oh, it's a waterfall front. So I think it's similar to the black one I got in my last Nadine West, but I actually don't have a charcoal one, so this would be something different for me. All right, now let's get into the jewelry. Okay, what we have here is we have a layered necklace. Just it has a wishbone and kind of a clear gem here, and then at the bottom is just kind of a flat circle. And the gem just fell off, so that's a great sign. I think it's easily put on again. I've been wanting kind of a layered necklace, but I always wanted a longer one, so we'll see if this looks a little bit longer on me than the last one they sent me. And then we have kind of these leaf earrings. They remind me of the ones I got in my Style Starter box, but they're a little bit smaller, a little bit less of statement earrings, but I really like them, so most likely these will be keepers for me. And then we have these big hoop earrings, and they've got kind of the little sparkly gemstones on them. So, okay, I really like those. Let's go ahead and try this stuff on and see if it fits. First up, we have this cream heather top up here and green in the rest, and it's a tunic length top. It's not really my cup of tea. I love green, but not necessarily, this isn't my favorite shade of green, and don't know how I feel about the two-tonedness and then the length of the shirt. I'm not, as somebody who really doesn't wear leggings very often, it just doesn't really do anything for me, so this is probably a no-go. So let's go to the next top. Okay, so this one might actually be a keeper. Like I said, I like the red and the navy. Fits well. I don't feel like I'm swimming in it. It fits good everywhere. I still am into tab sleeves, so I like that. Here it is in the back. So, let's see if you can get a closer look of it. What do you guys think of this? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I think it's a winner for me though. I like it. Okay, let's try the next outfit. Okay, so next up we have the dress in the cardigan. So first of all, the cardigan fits great. Absolutely no complaints there. I like the waterfall front. I like the fact that it's ribbed, which is a little bit different than the rest of it, which is an interesting detail. It's a longer cardigan, which is good. So this is definitely a great cardigan. So if the price is right, I will probably keep this one. And then we have the dress, and there's no zipper, there's no buttons. It's just, you wiggle into it. So I like it. I'm hesitant to get too many of these mock necks. I totally have it on backwards. Okay, so ignore the fact I have it on backwards because I think it's going to look pretty much the same because it is a mock neck, but I totally feel a tag right here. So that's embarrassing, but I don't feel like reshooting this video. So I'm going to let you guys know that this is backwards. So anyways, the neckline is going to be the same on the other way, but I think it fits really well. Okay, guys, I have no idea where I left off. I had cut off filming because my husband came home and I was going to surprise him with a Nerf gun fight, as, you know, middle-aged folks like us do. So this is actually a couple days later that I am filming this, so hopefully I don't miss something or repeat something too much or whatnot. So back to the dress. I like it. It is quite snug. Again, it's a dress you could tell if I ate a cheeseburger in, which I did today, so yeah. So the length, you can't really see that super well, but the length I like, the color I like, the sleeves I really like, the neckline, I do have the dress on the right way this time. It's very cute. So I don't know, I might keep this if the price is right. And again, I could always wear a cardigan over it to help with the snugness. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like the color? I don't know, I am leaning towards this one though. I do like it. I do have the jewelry on. Here's the jewelry. I'll say I've already worn these earrings, so I will be keeping these. And the necklace, I didn't bother to put the piece on that fell off. It depended on whether I'm going to keep it or not, whether I bother to put it on or not. I do like that this is a longer layered necklace, so I think if this one's cheap enough, I'll probably want to keep this. So that's the jewelry. And I think all I have left is another dress, so let's try that on. Next up, we have this sleeveless dress. It is another bodycon type dress, and I'm just kind of, again, midi length, so hopefully you can see that. And I'm just kind of in, because this does have a higher neck, I just don't know that I would love it with cardigans on it. In fact, let me try one real quick. Okay, red cardigan on with it. This is a long cardigan, and I don't think I love that. I just don't think it looks that great with the neck up here. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to send this one back though. I mean, there's only so many bodycon dresses that I want because I still already feel kind of iffy in them. So since I'm considering the other one, I think this one will get sent back. But it's a nice dress. I have no complaints about it. So I think I haven't tried on the pants yet. So let's try that. Okay, guys, I'm super lazy. I just rolled the dress up and put the pants on. So I'm sorry for my laziness. But these pants, they are just, they're leggings. And so I can't wear leggings like this to work. They are pull-on. They are super comfortable. I'll give them that. And they've got this little belt here in the front, which is cute. And again, they're way too long, so they're a bit scrunchy here in the bottom. So these will not be keepers, though again, they're a nice pant. They're comfortable. They're just not for me, not what I'm looking for from a work pant. So let's go ahead and recap all this and go over the prices. I'm always bad about remembering to show the jewelry. So here the earrings are on. I like them. I just don't know that I would get a lot of use out of them. So I don't know. We'll see what the price is. If they're like 10 bucks, I might actually keep them. So give me your thoughts on these as well. Now let's do the recap. Okay guys, there was a lot in this bag, and there was a lot that I actually really liked, so I'm gonna have to make some decisions here, and hopefully you guys can help me do that. Now let's go over the prices. So for tops, we have I think they call this the Work Crush. Again, it is by Zenana Outfitters, and this is $22.49. I didn't love it on me. It is not a keeper. Then we have the cardigan top, and they call it the Elia, and it is by Ambiance, however you pronounce that. And this is $25.99. I don't have a gray cardigan yet, or dark charcoal cardigan, and I do like it, so I think this is probably a keeper. And then we have the plaid shirt. It's called the Kellis, and it is by Ambiance as well, and it is $25.99. I did like this. This is the best fitting plaid top that I've tried so far, so I think I'm going to keep this. Then we have the dress pant that they're calling the Kalina, and it is by Yado, and it is $24.99. I am not going to keep these because they just did not fit me well, and they were leggings, and I can't wear those to work. Then we have the Nara dress, and it is by Popular 21. I liked it. There was nothing specific wrong. It's just I only want so many tight-fitting dresses, and I'm actually interested in the mauve one instead, so I just think I'm not going to keep that. And then we have the Mirren dress, that's this one here, and it is by Popular 21 as well, and it is $29.99 as well, and I think I might actually keep this. I tried it on, my husband complimented me on it a couple of times, so that's always a good sign. Then we have the Lost Gem earring, and these are $13.99. This is the big hoop. I like them. I just don't know that I would wear them all that often, so I don't think I'm going to keep that. We have the leaf chandelier earrings. I'm wearing them. I'm keeping them. Thank you. They are $9.99, so they are mine. And then the layered necklace. This is $24.99. I may have considered keeping this, but the gem was already falling off and I just don't really feel like trying to put it back together. So I'll just send that back because I already have plenty here that I am interested in. So I think, again, the keepers are the earrings, the mauve dress, the plaid top, and the charcoal cardigan. And that's way more than I usually buy from Nadine West. Like I said before, I usually buy one thing, but I'm just liking a lot right now. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in trying Nadine West, then use my referral code below. If you are not subscribed yet, then please subscribe below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.